This way, sir.
Okay.
We had been advised by the GHQ of your arrival, sir. Pero hindi ho namin inaasang napakabilis pala na inyong pagdating.
My mission is urgent. Kailangan may handa kaagad ang 18th Infantry Battalion sa lalong madaling panahon.
Sir!
O sige, ilapag mo na yan dyan.
Pasensya na kay sir. Hindi ko kagad na ilapag dahil wala na ho akong kamay.
Major, going back to our discussion about the 18th Infantry Battalion, ang gusto ko sana ay...
Banyares?
Sir, special guest ho natin si Colonel Tapia eh. Mukhang naiinitan ho yata siya eh.
Sundalo ka, di ba? Banyares!